Yo. Young Fresh. Check it. Time for me to shine. Mixtape time. With my nigga Austin Razzie. Finna get nasty. Feeling so classy. Swag so nasty. Coming so fresh with my mint breast. See you through that scope. Enough said. Cold case in my head. Visualize he's dead. Caution when I walk. So watch his step. Finessing my blunts, and I smoke it to the head. Nah, but my nigga Razzie bout to get it next.
My boy Razzie bout to get it next. My boy Razzie bout to get it next. So allow me to start this old school blow out through the cartridge. Close clothes, it's easy blow. So I aim for the farthest target. Buck boy, beg my pardon. Use a fake aliens, marching with the Martians. Use a tripper, so I pulled out the carpet. See my soul carve out through the carcass. So be cautious when I've lost it, cause you'll get banged down with a hard hit. Cause y'all is bogus, like some locusts trying to steal all of my harvest. We run these streets like police, so we take notice. We run crowd control with don't make commotion. Selling dope, so we making promotions. But watch out who we hate. Who we hate is the closest, and you already know this. And we kill you, you making no motion. Me and my boy Jonathan got the blunt blowing. Stack my chewy, so I keep my luck showing.
Yeah, keep my luck showing. Stacking that guap to the fucking top. Hit a nigga if you're trying to interrupt. Get slumped. If you feeling foggy, nigga jump. I'm all about a dollar sign, as you can see. Mentally, physically, hit you any fucking type of way. Stay on your lane, that's a one way. I'm on my lane, and that's doomsday. Nigga started tragedy, trying to get my mixtapes. Smoking on his loud complaints all day. Turn that shit down. Fuck nigga, we don't give a fuck about the town. Come through and tear shit down. Bring all them rounds, it's time to clown. Bitch niggas now. My swag so up and never look down. Nah.